Check out this tall boy. 1973 Ford Bronco, less than 100 miles on a complete body off frame restoration. Beautiful color combination. Has a great interior. You're going to love it when I show it to you. 302 motor, fuel injected, power steering, power disc brakes, automatic trans, James Duff lift kit on it. Go to volocars.com. You'll see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this Bronco, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a gorgeous color called electric blue, and the body works fantastic. This is absolutely straight. You got this nice little raised feature in the hood. All beautiful, clean, smooth, outstanding. The metallic is laid out evenly. The clear coat looks like you could reach right into it. It's polished so smooth, and it's highly high gloss. All this all the way down, even underneath here, all clean. Jambs are all painted. The inside of the door is all painted. Quarter panels, all mint. There's no rust, no damage at all. Tailgate, they put the gray on the Ford. That's real sharp. All this is in mint condition. So the body and paint on this car, except for a little bit of the wax they forgot to wipe off, is excellent. Excellent, excellent. All of the chrome or trim's been replaced, like the mirrors, the handles, and these are upgraded billet hinges. That's classy. New Bronco emblems. Sitting on some mud terrain tires, and what size are they? They're 35 by 12.5 by 17 inch with some new aluminum wheels. That's all new. Coming around to the front, we got halogen headlights, the bumper, the moldings, the visors are new. Has the gray, satin gray grille that's real nice, same color as the roof. The roof has been restored. This does unbolt and come off. Windshield's replaced. The gasket's new. The glass around the top, I don't see any scratches in it. It could be new. I mean, it looks to be in really nice shape. All the glass on the top is tinted. The glass on the truck is clear. And then it has that gray satin finish. I just love it with the blue, and it goes with the interior, which you'll see in a minute. The wheels that are on here are Pro Comp alloys. Yeah, I looked those up online already. The lenses are new, the bumper's new. Looks like a stainless handle for the tailgate. And then this is custom made. Normally it would be here on a bracket. They moved the license plate down here on that custom made plate. So yeah, good looking truck. Let's look inside. That's what I really like. All right, so tailgate lifts right up, and yeah, that glass is crystal clear. Probably been replaced. They put cables on, and it's painted everywhere. It is a really, really nice paint job. These stainless strips are polished real nicely, all carpeted. This gives you a hint of what the seats look like. I love that plaid material. Even the wheel wells are carpeted. This seat looks like it folds completely forward. This folds down flat very easily. It has a fire extinguisher with a Bronco on it. And then even the inside of the tailgate here is carpeted as well. So that's real nice looking. Again, look at the metal, all painted real nice. Even inside the doors, and then the doors are upholstered in the plaid material. New armrests, billet handles. The whole instrument cluster is brand new. We actually just put that in. We were in trouble with the old one. The dash pad is new. It's all painted real nice. You got all new knobs. You have some USB plug-ins right here. It has a Bluetooth stereo. All nice and clean. Upgraded push-in fuse panel. You can't see it, but it's inside here. Here's the color that it was painted in, electric blue. You have the codes if you ever have to do touch-up work. Molded in kick panel speakers. All carpeted front to back. Now look at the seats, the sport seats with the plaid inserts. I just think that's awesome. Has a little center console here with cup holders. Let me come around there and see if I can help flip that seat forward so you can see the back seat. Because it is a new back seat and it's upholstered to match, has headrests. And the whole inside of the top is all painted that gray. And then check out the roll bar that's in there too. With the top off, that's going to be real sharp looking. That's painted gray as well. Then the steering wheel, nice cushion grip wheel with the Bronco in the middle on a tilt column with some billet handles. Also has like a billet bezel at the base of the steering wheel. And even underneath, I just noticed, is upholstered in the plaid. They hid everything under there. So really, really great colors throughout. I love it inside and out. Okay, let's check out the motor. It's a completely rebuilt 302 motor with some upgrades. It's got a little hotter cam, has a Y-end aluminum intake. It's painted Ford blue just to make it look a little more stock. And that's a Sniper EFI fuel injection system. Nice Ford Racing valve covers, headers, and some dust must have fell down. But this is all painted, all clean metal. Has the gas struts to open it up. Battery is secured in place real nice. We got a chrome alternator, aluminum radiator with the nice shroud, an overflow bottle, chrome power steering. It's a Sniper EFI ignition system, chrome power brakes, even the master cylinder, and all the hardware, nuts, bolts, everything looks new. And then the roll bar actually comes right inside here. And roll bars also keep the car from twisting, so it's not just in case you roll over. And they also look nice. So Michael's going to show you how this bad boy drives, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, time to hit the trails. No, I'm just kidding. I think this thing's too nice for all that. Well, it depends on who you ask, but I would never. Beautiful frame-off restoration on this Bronco here. It does have a really nicely built 302 with fuel injection. This thing turned over very easily for me. Started, runs nice, clean idle. So that's fantastic to have. And that's paired up with a C4 automatic transmission. It's definitely jacked up, but it rides pretty good. So far, so good. James Duff suspension seems to be doing the trick for us. Of course, it does have four-wheel drive, and then it has other things like a Bluetooth radio, for example, and tilt column. Heck of a lot of fun. Turn some heads in this one, without a doubt. All right, well, let's see what she's got. Just like that, we're up to 50 miles an hour. Yeah, it runs nice and consistent, clear across the power band. Shifts well also. Man, it's got these mutters on here. Holy cow. I feel like you can just tear it up on the back trails, though, I tell you. Great sound and exhaust, too. And really nice seats. These sport seats give it a lot of support. take it for a test drive if you'd like to. Just contact our sales department, Joey or Eric, before doing that. Give them about a day's notice. And other than that, check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
So as I said, body was off the frame. It comes with this nice sign too. Everything was restored, painted, lots of new hardware, all the clips, nuts, bolts, lines, all of it's been replaced. Has a James Duff lift kit. It says James Duff right on the springs. It has his shocks. I think those are called the radius arms. It has dual shocks up front. It has a steering dampener. All of that's been rebuilt. Real nice dual exhaust system. Disc brakes in front, drum and back. That's all been redone as well. Has chrome cover on the front differential here. I gotta get under there and peek at the exhaust. I forget what kind of mufflers are on there. It has tube type mufflers, that's right. And yeah, the frame is glossy. It's a custom fuel tank and back. The whole fuel system is compatible with the fuel injection system. The bottom of the motor has a finned aluminum oil pan. It has the 2-speed high and low worn transfer case. That's the word I was thinking of. C4 automatic transmission. So it's sprayed, the whole bottom of the floor is sprayed in a black durable like bed liner material. So very tidy, very clean, very fresh. This is a really good looking Bronco. Love the colors, love the interior, love the features. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will answer your questions, including how to get your Bronco delivered home. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.